Hi, it's Madeleine. Welcome to this Fabricville video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a standard zipper. To sew it properly, you will need a zipper foot on your machine, and your zipper has to be slightly longer than the zipper opening. To start, I mark the seam line and the zipper place. Now I'm going to stitch the two pieces of garment right sides together. I'm going to baste the zipper opening with a long stitch. And then I continue the seam with a regular stitch. Then I press the seam open. I bait the right side of the zipper on the wrong side of the garment on the seam allowances. Now, using a chalk or an erasable pen, I'm going to mark the seam line around the opening. Then, using my zipper foot, I sew on the right side of the garment, starting at the bottom, then from the bottom to the top on the left side. I change the side of the zipper foot and stitch on the right side. Now, using a seam ripper, I carefully remove the basting stitches. Enjoy sewing, and thanks for watching!